guys, this is Allison Pryor, and I teach acrylic paintings for the beginner. I do techniques that are very simple and easy to follow in real time so you can follow along with me. Hi! I even teach you how to draw a cat. So let's get on and start with a new painting. Now when your painting is all dry, take a drawing of your eagle, draw it out. You can either go on some free websites or some free sites that let you use their picture for commercial use, or for, well, this is only for your personal use, but just in case you want to show it off in an art gallery or something, go to some of those free domain sites and print off an eagle and then trace it out, or you can certainly sit down for a couple hours and try to draw it. It's only just a round, as you can see the lines are very simple, just a small round head, and then you just come down like that. So I mean, I'm not going to do that today because I'm trying to teach you to paint. So just take that on when you get your drawing done on your paper and tape it on. I showed you this in other videos before, so you've probably seen this. And then take some carbon paper, and the carbon paper you can buy in the craft stores or some copy stores, or you know, any store should have this carbon paper, and it's okay. And then you draw it out. So I just drew it out there so I wouldn't have to waste your time. So you put that underneath there, and then you take a pen and you draw out the lines. Draw all the lines out that you need to paint. And then when you're finished doing that, and it's okay to have your lines there, yes, because we'll paint over those, so don't worry about that. So like I said, I'm going to do the tutorials as easy and simple as I can for you.